Alright guys, we see all these famous people doing all kinds of things, all these famous people doing all these things, right? And it makes us want to do things, it makes us want to be a certain way, it makes us want to live our lives a certain way. It makes us want to have a challenge ourselves, or maybe just think we should be there automatically, right? But in general, if we see what the actual lives of celebrities are, I mean, all we see is what they produce on film. All we see is, the fact that they are at the top already, right? Like when Cher was young, she was a nobody at first, then she became a somebody. I know she was 16, but still, you have to, when you're starting out in the world, you have to remember that every famous person started out somewhere, right? And it's usually not in like a famous place, right? Most people don't start off famous, right? Nobody starts off famous unless you're like a child of a famous person, but even then you have more responsibility, and it's still challenging because they have their fame, and you have to attain fame like theirs, but you might not be able to because maybe you don't have the skill, right? So it's harder for you as a child of a star, to sort of like say, oh, I don't have the skill of my parents, if you don't, right? But in general, it's hard to, we all start at the bottom, we all start at zero, right? So remember, don't be hard on yourself, right? I mean, we all start at zero, so when you see a celebrity and you think, oh, they're living their best life, I could never, right? I wish I could, it's not unattainable, right? It's something that we can all reach for, right? And remember, I mean, even if you are living some part of a celebrity type of lifestyle, you've got it good, right? Because maybe your spouse is good looking, or maybe you've achieved a career. I mean, it's not all like if you're a doctor, like a medical doctor, you've done well for yourself, right? I don't think you have to really worry about whether you're a celebrity or not, right? If you become, even if you become a teacher, teachers are very successful, right? Or an engineer. I mean, they're so smart. I mean, I wouldn't be embarrassed by being an engineer. If you're not J-Lo, maybe you're self-conscious that you're not J-Lo, but I mean, being an engineer is hard work, and you should be proud of yourself. I think most engineers feel good about themselves, but if you don't, you should be like, don't look at J-Lo, you're doing amazing things, right? Anyway, thank you for watching, totally enjoy, alright. Bye guys, you guys are fabulous. Au revoir, I know. Bye everyone, thank you so much.